Welcome back to our max classes. Now I'm going to explain you the exercise 1.1 second bit. Okay, write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. Write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. See here, first I am writing additive inverse. Okay, so actually what is the additive inverse? We know that. Let us consider a is a rational number. Additive inverse of a is minus a. So if we add a plus of minus a, we get 0. Yes or no? Yes. A minus a is equals to 0. So this is additive inverse. Now what is multiplicative inverse? So see here, multiplicative inverse. Now in the multiplicative inverse, just if a is a rational number, multiplicative inverse multiplicative inverse of a is multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. Okay, here a is a rational number, so if it is in the form of a by b, what is the multiplicative inverse? Is b by a. Okay, multiplicative inverse is b by a. So everyone clear? Now we are moving to the problems. So see here, I clear additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. So now what is additive inverse for minus 3 by 5? See here, minus 3 by 5 additive inverse. So that is here, let us consider this as a. Okay, what is additive inverse? Minus a. So minus a. Everyone clear? Minus it is a, consider this as a, so minus a. So now minus into minus plus 3 by 5 is our additive inverse of minus 3 by 5. Next one, if we add both minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5, what will the result? 0. Sum is 0. Everyone clear? So now next one, what is the additive inverse of 1? Additive inverse of 1. Additive inverse of 1 is, that is minus 1. Okay, everyone clear? So additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. So if we add this minus 1 plus minus of 1, that is equals to 1 minus 1, 0. Everyone clear? So this is the additive inverse. So now additive inverse for 0. Additive inverse of 0. Okay, now what is additive inverse of 0? 0. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Everyone clear? Now fourth one, see here, what is the fourth one given? 7 by 9. Now additive inverse of 7 by 9 is minus 7 by 9. Okay, let us consider this as a. So here minus a, that is minus 7 by 9. Now multiplicative inverse of minus 1. Shall I rub the first one? Okay. Now multiplicative inverse of minus 1. See here, fourth one is that completed now. Fifth one, multiplicative inverse of, additive inverse of minus 1. So additive inverse of minus 1 is, see here, now what is additive inverse of a? Minus a. So minus of minus 1, that is equals to plus 1. Minus minus going to cancel. Okay, what is additive inverse of minus 1? Plus 1. Okay, so this is our additive inverse. Now we are moving to multiplicative inverse. See here, now I am going to write the multiplicative inverse. So what is the multiplicative inverse for minus 3 by 5? See here, in the 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, so what is the multiplicative inverse of a? 1 by a. If a by b is given, b by a is our answer. So now minus 3 by 5 is given, multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is minus 5 by 3. This is b by a, this is a by b, I am writing b by a. Okay, so there is no change of sign. Okay, if we multiply both this minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 3, then we get the product 1. See here, minus minus going to cancel, 3 can cancel, 5 1 5, 5 1 5. What is left here? 1. So this is total product is 1. So everyone clear? So this is a multiplicative inverse. Now what is the multiplicative inverse of 1? So 1 by 1, what is we get? Multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 by 1, that is equals to 1. Okay, 1 into 1, 1. Everyone clear? So this is a multiplicative inverse of 1. Now multiplicative inverse of what is given here? 0. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 0? If I write, so if what is the multiplicative inverse of a is, multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a, 1 by a, here 1 by 0. Can we define 1 by 0? No, it's not defined. So there is no multiplicative inverse for 0. Multiplicative inverse for inverse of 0 is not defined. Okay, so there is not, we are not going to define the multiplicative inverse of 0. So next one, fourth one. What is the fourth one given? 7 by 9. It is in the form of a by b. So multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 is 9 by 7. A by b is given, we are writing b by a. Okay, everyone clear? Now last one, fifth one. See here, minus 1 is given. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is, so multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is, see here, 1 by minus 1 is 1 by minus 1, that is equals to minus 1. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. So this is our answer. Okay, everyone clear? Now these are the answers for first bit. So now what is the fourth problem given? Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So actually what is the reciprocal here? Solution I am writing. A reciprocal is nothing but, reciprocal is equals to multiplicative inverse. Okay, reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse. So what is the multiplicative inverse of a is? Multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. So here what is the reciprocal of, so multiplicative inverse is equals to reciprocal, yes or no? Multiplicative inverse is also called as reciprocal. Now reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is, reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is 14 by 5. Okay, minus 14 by 5, this is a reciprocal. So now multiply 2 by 11. Okay, we have to multiply 2 by 11 na? Multiply 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5. So minus 14 by 5. Now do this product. So 2 into 14 by 11 into 5. So now 14 to the 28, 11 5 the 55. So this is our answer. Everyone clear? So this is a multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of, here we have to know the reciprocal. So reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse. Everyone clear? See here, hello students, see the problem, sixth problem. Verify the following. So here LHS or HS both are given, so we have to verify it. So first one, what is the LHS given? 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, so bracket plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, so now let's move to this bracket part. So 5 by 4 here, plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 plus, sorry, plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. Okay, now do the LCM for 2 comma 4. What is the LCM? 4. So 5 by 4, 1 into 2 by 4. So now minus 3 by 2 write as it is. See here, 5 minus 2 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So do this part first. So see here, 5 minus 2, 5, yes, see here, this is I am writing here, 5 minus 2, so that is 3 by 4, minus 3 by 2 is left here. Okay, minus 3 by 2 is left here. Now 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2, what is the LCM for 4 comma 4? So 3 minus 3 into 2 by 4. then after 3 minus, see here, 3 to the 6 by 4. So now 3 minus 6 is minus 3 by 4. So this is our LHS. Okay, this is our LHS part. LHS part. Okay, now we are going to move to the RHS part. Okay, everyone clear? Now I am going to explain you the RHS part. But before going to the RHS, is it clear to everyone? See here, 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 is given, minus 3 by 2 is given. So we are doing simplification and at last we get here minus 3 by 4. Now move to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is given. So see here, now bracket for both. Okay, minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. So now do the bracket part. Here both denominators are same, so we can add directly. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Okay, now 5 by 4 plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 2, that is equals to, see here, everyone clear? Now here 5 by 4 is there now, so 5 by 4 minus 4 by 2. So what is the LCM for 4 comma 2? 4. Okay, 5 by 4, sorry, directly write, we can directly write 5 minus 4 into 2 by 4, that is equals to 5 minus 4 to the 8 na, 5 minus 8 by 4, that is equals to minus 3 by 4. See here, what is this RHS? Okay, now here LHS and RHS both are same or not? Yes, minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Everyone clear? So we proved that LHS equal to RHS.